Yo guys, what's going on? Hope you're all doing great. Listen, we got another great video for you here on your Amazon Fire TV stick. If you're looking for movies, TV shows, sports, some live TV, you've come to the right place. You can download a bunch of apps that may not be available on your Fire TV stick. First thing, go to the search icon and you can either use Alexa's voice or just type in downloader. This is an application which gives us the ability to sideload applications that aren't available on the Fire TV stick. We can just type in down and downloader comes right up. Once downloader is up, click on the little orange symbol there that says downloader. Says I already own it, so yours may say just get it, download it, throws it into the queue real quick and downloads the application for us. Installs the application, and we can go back to the home screen because we do not want to open it quite yet. Once you're back to the home screen, head over to the little gear icon for settings, and down under My Fire TV, if you do not have developer options listed here, click on About. Under Fire TV Stick, click the select button about 7 times, and then it finally say no need, you're already a developer. We can go back to developer options. Under ADB debugging, turn it on. Under install unknown apps, click on it, and under downloader, turn it on. This gives us downloader the ability to install these apps. Let's go back to the home screen and let's find downloader. So down in your apps and games, the little 3 squares plus sign icon, we can go find downloader, and we can use the little 3-line button on your remote and move that to the front, because this is going to be our new store to find these applications. So as you can tell, when we go back to the home screen, downloader is there now as a shortcut to the front. So let's click on downloader, and I am going to allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on my device, as it needs these permissions. And then here's a quick start guide we can read through. And then in the URL here, we're going to type in a quick little shortcut. Instead of, you can type in ledbytheunknown.com, or you can type in 546835. This little shortcut will link us to the Led by the Unknown website, which will have all these great applications for you to feel free to download onto your Fire Stick. After this 5-second redirect, once the page is loaded, click on your 3-line button again on your remote and add page to the favorites, and then we don't have to type in and wait for the 5 seconds anymore. So once we're here on the main screen of the Led by the Unknown website, we can come down to downloads, and this is the web page that will have all these available apps for your Fire Stick. So if you come down here, got some details, we got some videos for you to watch. So guys, this is going to be just a quick demo on what we can download. So let's try here under the movies, TV shows. We can try an application called Pluto TV, which is a free app that we can use to download, or this is a free app for free movies and TV shows, some live TV at that also. And don't forget, check out the other ones that are available. It's going to come down to let us install. Once Pluto TV is installed, we click Done. And then we can delete the APK file because we no longer need it that we downloaded from the webpage. Now remember also, if you want some amazing sports, this app is not free, but there's the DAZN or ESPN app, which automatically download, install, create an account, log in, and get all the prime time sports you want. Or of course there's other apps on here. As you can tell, we can install again. Once it's done installing, click Done. We can hit Delete and delete the APK file that we downloaded. We no longer need it as it's installed. Now let's go back to the home screen here quick and let's see what we downloaded. So if you go back to your apps and games icon, the 3 squares and a plus sign, now we have Pluto TV and DAZN, DAZN, and we can again use the 3-line button on our remote. And here it says move to the front. We can do the same with the sports app. Move to the front. And there you go, folks. We got in under a few minutes apps on our Fire Stick. Let's click on Pluto TV. Pluto TV, the initial time you open it takes a couple of moments, but as you can tell, we got live TV, free movies and TV shows. We can activate it if we want, but that's up to you. Right now, I'm just giving you demos here on how to install these apps on your Fire Stick. So guys, as you can tell, we have thousands and thousands of movies, TV shows, all on our Fire TV Stick. Most popular movies, top TV series. Like if we want some old stuff, there we go, some Andy Griffith Show. New movies this month, recently added. Last chance to watch, so some stuff that's getting removed. Some classics. Hand picks, trending now. Guys, if you're looking for movies and TV shows, this is probably one of the nicest apps that you can get free movies, TV shows, and live TV from. So guys, thousands of movies, thousands of TV shows available on the Fire TV Stick. Live TV. Live TV, hundreds of movies or TV shows, live TV, hundreds of channels, guys. If you can't find something that you need in here, that's okay. There's a bunch more available on the downloader page. As you can tell, it just keeps going, keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. And then, of course, like free movies and TV shows, video on demand, movies on demand, streaming on demand. When using some of these applications that we're going to download from the store, I would highly suggest to protect your online activity and security. In order to do this, download a VPN. Check out the best VPN on the market. Type in IPVanish. IPVanish should come up fairly quickly there. IPVanish, the number one VPN I would recommend. We can click on IPVanish, and again, if you don't already own it, get it and then download it and install it. Now let's head to the home screen. Now that these applications are all downloaded, let's go to our 3 squares plus sign icon. And first thing first, before we open up these applications, now let's log into IPVanish. Guys, if you don't already have your own personal login, please use the description below or get out your phone and scan that QR code that's popped up on your TV. In order to log in, we type in our email. And our password. Once we have logged in, we come down to the little map icon symbol, click on it. You can always do fastest available, but I like to find myself placed in the United States. We can come all the way down to the end here, find the United States, click on it, set it as our favorites, and then we can click on it and connect to the United States. Connection request, say OK. We are now located in the United States. Couple options here in the settings icon. We can click on it. And if you want this to run all the time, we can turn it on during connection at startup. We can do some split tunneling, which gives us the ability to enable or disable certain applications. And we can manage our apps. So if you have Netflix and you don't want the VPN to disrupt it, you can click on Netflix. And disable it from being covered by IPVanish. Or you can connect it on. Up to you. And of course we have a shortcut. Auto connect on launch. If we lose connection to our internet, the VPN will not disconnect, and so on. So we're now connected. Let's go to the home screen. Back under your apps and games section, we can use like our 3-line button on our remote, move it to the front for Fossum, same with IPVanish, and of course our app store. Move it to the front, and there we go. So when we're on our home screen, there will be the top listed items in a shortcut menu here, and you can change it however you wish. Okay? Enjoy. Peace. Take care.